in Stream Elements, I just hit enter, I think, because it was on its own line, but it didn't register that space. Okay, so we have a couple of options for where we could move Sophia when it's time, which is like in 3 sim days. So we could stay here in Sulani. And so if you do the NSB, right? So um if you do, where is it? So for the Sapphire one, so she doesn't say we have to live anywhere specifically. But we have to complete the Big Happy Family aspiration and then reach level 10 of the business career. Max the logic, mischief, and parenting skills, which is going to be tough as nails. Have a negative relationship with both of your parents. Well, one is dead, so I mean, that I guess that counts, right? Every time you woohoo, it must be for try for baby, and add a new piercing or tattoo for every new child you have. So then, when it comes to the next generation, for Morganite, you were raised in a hectic household. You shared a room with all of your siblings, which means it has to be like a 2 bedroom house, right? With a bedroom, like all the kids, right? Um, so that's going to be challenging. So I thought about looking at rust on silverware. Oh, it's not even a 1 bedroom. It's like a studio apartment. Well, okay, so this could work. I have no idea how to combat rust on silverware. So this could work because this is like a starter home size. I love how quick this is now to like go to the manage world screen. We could do this house. It doesn't say that like we can't, like we can have a certain amount of money, right? Like it doesn't say that we have to start broke. So we could live here. We could make this house work. We could like increase the size a little bit and, you know, make sure that it was like a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, right? Um, those are the only empty houses. We could kick mom out. We won't do that. I thought about living in Tartosa. I don't have a lot, or I don't have anything here. Um, I thought about maybe this one. Try scrunching up a ball of tinfoil and put it in your dishwasher. Oh. Titchery has all the tricks. So I thought about maybe doing this house and living in Tartosa. I've actually never really like lived in this town, so we could do it, right? I'd have to like absolutely redo the house. The wedding one. Wedding stories? Oh, yeah. And then this one I placed, it's not really like a starter. I took all the furniture out of it though. So like it's kind of a starter. And I'd have to like redo the colors and everything like that. But we could live in this house. Oh, I forgot to delete some things. So we could do this house. Obviously, would change it up. I got this one from the gallery today. I don't think there was a place in Moonwood Mill. No, there's somebody living in all of those. I kind of went through today and was like trying to find a space, but the next generation, so I think Morganite is supposed to live out here, and I think we're gonna try and do this one for Generation 3. I thought about Evergreen Harbor. Apparently Knox Greenberg doesn't live in his house that he lived in. So we could go to Evergreen Harbor and help this situation out. This obviously, I'd have to revamp this. I could not live in this particular, I mean, this particular lot might be okay. There's nothing in Glimmerbrook. Not living in Strangerville. Brindleton Bay, I don't think had... Oh, there's this one house. There's this one. I need to play Sims more. Well, I'm trying to, like... There's also one in Forgotten Hollow. I could live in the vampire world, but I don't know if we want to do the vampire thing. There's gonna be a generation that lives in the city. Windenburg is full. There's a house in Newcrest. This one, not a starter home. This one I built. I think this is one of mine. So there's 2 houses that don't have anybody in them, but I'm pretty sure that I built this lot. This is the library that Allie built. Yeah, this was definitely me. I built this. Not really enough room. For a whole family's worth of kids. We could always enlarge it, you know. I could put a second floor on it, that's for sure. So, that's an option. That's not an option. And I think... Or under the stairs, right? Really? Nobody's in this one? Huh. It's weird how, like, did they take away the, like, fill empty homes option? Because I feel like they did. No? So I guess this could be an option, but it's too big for, like, starting out. Is it? Where is it? Game options. This is where I thought it used to be. Did I miss it? Anyway, so those are my options for housing for... Yeah, see? I was like, wait, I don't want them to automatically fill empty homes. Like, I like being able to uncheck that. Um, I'm leaning towards Tartosa or staying in Sulani. I don't really know, though.